Welcome to my channel, PeekAboo-AI Surveillance, where I go over many different ways AI is being used when it comes to video and audio surveillance. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe so you don't miss out on any news or information pertaining to AI surveillance you may want to know about. There may be some links in the description below you can check out pertaining to each tutorial. To all my returning subscribers, welcome back and enjoy the tutorial. Imagine hanging out on the sidewalks with your friends, and the conversation turned into a strong debate. Not loud enough to have someone call the police on you, but somehow they showed up checking everything out. An officer may even recite the conversations you were having. Everything turns out fine, and they leave, but leaving you and your friends baffled as to how this came about. In reality, you only have to look up to see what is above you. Not all, but many smart streetlights are equipped with a surveillance camera and a recording device. Some may work in different ways, but mostly the recordings are looking for certain keywords to spark an alert to the authorities apprised. Do not be, for this is the new normal. Surveillance everywhere we go, along with voice recordings. You may be in an uproar and say that is illegal. My rights are being violated. The truth is, there is no certain right of privacy once out in the public, so listen up. Smart streetlights equipped with sensors, microphones and cameras are being deployed in many cities, all the while raising serious privacy concerns, particularly in cases where they are used for surveillance without public knowledge or consent. These devices, intended for traffic monitoring or environmental sensing, have been used by law enforcement to track individuals, including protesters, for a very long time. There were even public backlash in cities like San Diego and Oakland, which have faced significant public outcry, leading to new regulations over the use of these technologies. This is not something new. Smart streetlights were in place since 2013. Just think Orwellian. It describes a situation, society, or policy that is destructively totalitarian, surveillance-heavy and reminiscent of the dystopian, oppressive world in George Orwell's 1984. It highlights the subversion of truth, loss of privacy, and abuse of power by the state or authority. Key details about smart streetlight surveillance: audio recording. Some smart streetlights are equipped with microphones that can capture audio of not only pedestrians but passing motorists as well, again sparking surveillance concerns. Video monitoring and AI. These smart lights often contain high-definition cameras along with their microphones that, when combined with AI, it can identify people, with track vehicles, and recognize license plates. Keep in mind, surveillance systems installed for one purpose and mission in mind: to obtain smart city data. Currently, the smart streetlights are now repurposed for others, such as monitoring protesters and law enforcement tracking. Now, to be fair, we would all agree with the privacy issue, but they do serve a great purpose when it comes to making the streets much safer in urban areas. These smart light systems can also detect gunshots or other loud noises, helping law enforcement pinpoint the location of incidents. It also has data-driven insights. Analytics from smart streetlights can identify crime hotspots and help allocate law enforcement resources effectively. With all that being said, what is your opinion on this? Share your thoughts and comment down below. Many thanks for taking some time to check my tutorial out. All the links, if any, will be in the description below. Please subscribe so you won't miss out on any important AI surveillance information that is currently out there. Please make sure you check out the thumbnails that will be floating around at the end pertaining to similar content, and do not forget, PeekAboo-AI, see you now.